If you are watching this video before the 10th of any month, then this video is for you. So I'm here with an internship opportunity from Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog stands for National Institute for Transforming India. So Niti Aayog internship opens in every month at their first week between 1 to 10. First of all, you have to go to the Niti Aayog official website. From there, you can click to their scheme information. This is the Niti Aayog guideline information. Are there in undergraduation and those who are graduated and those who are pursuing their post graduation or their research scholar, so they can enroll in this Niti Aayog internship. Important thing that you have to remember, there are few. First is it will be an unpaid internship. The name along carry a very huge weightage, and if you add it in your resume and you get a chance to work with them, it will you're going to get a very good experience and a very good exposure working with a government internship. So this is the whole criteria that you should be follow up. And for a graduate student, you should be in your fourth semester and your percentage should be in 80. The period between the month of declaration and the final result. And for an example, if your result is declared in the month of June, then you can apply for this internship. Internship will be begin in the month of December. And there they have mentioned the period of internship. It will be 6 weeks and it will not be extended to 6 months. Internship online through the website, and as I have already said, is open between 1st to 10th of every month. So if you are watching this video after the 10th of any month, then you can apply in the next month for this internship also. There is an important thing that you should know. Application can only be made in 6 months in advance, but not less than 2 months. So if you want to join this Niti Aayog internship, you should have to be remember that if you apply right now, then your internship will be start at 3 months later. So you have to apply prior to get this internship. Let's see the area or the domain in which you are going to do this internship. So Niti Aayog have 25 domains in which you can do this internship. First, we have agriculture, data management, economics, energy sector, governance, industry, healthcare, nutrition. In which sector you wanted to work, you guys can fill up. This is the format of your NOC, and if your college will giving you a generated NOC, then you can attach it in the Google form. You can see all of the things that your name should be correct, your father name, your address, mobile name, your ID. Now let's see the journal information, education qualification. Apply for this internship online. You have to go back to the official website of Niti Aayog. Here you can see apply online. Here a new page will open. So this is the application form of internship Niti Aayog. Here you have to fill your name, your last name, your date of birth, and also double check it, type your email ID correctly, because all of the information will be provided on an email. So you should fill out the right email ID, and then you have to fill out your education qualification and the month you want to start this internship. You can click on the month, on the desired month you want to start your internship, and the year, and also the area of interest you wanted to pursue. After that, filling out all of the details, your application is completed. After the 10th of any month, then you guys should not be disappointed, because this internship will open at every month between first the 10th of the first week, so you can apply in the next month also. Thank you for watching my video, and I will be getting more informative videos about internship and the company opportunity very soon, so stay tuned.